Officer Flores, Juan Flores. I'm with the Department of Corrections K-9 unit. I've been an officer with the department for 12 years. I work at the Yuma complex, and out of those 12 years, I've been a handler for almost 9 years. This is my most current partner. His name's Service Dog Artie, and he's a Belgian Malinois. He's 4 years old. Today we came to Harvest Prep to just have a demonstration and show the children and the students here, as well as the educators, just a little bit of what we do and how the community, for the community to have an idea what all these service dogs are able to do, working hand to hand with officers at our unit and throughout the state. Today we were here supporting Harvest Prep here at their Yuma facility because they're celebrating Red Ribbon Week. So Red Ribbon Week is basically reminding the students of drug awareness, that they need to stay drug-free. The actions that they partake in now will affect their future, and we're trying to bring them a positive, for them to have a positive outlook on the type of careers and what they can do as adults when they have a drug-free life. So we're here to support Harvest today, and hopefully we did a good job with the students, and we look forward to anytime they want us here, we'll come back.